Yo, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can set your Facebook profile to private. So if you want to change your Facebook profile to private just like Instagram or just like TikTok, here's how you can do it. So first of all, what you need to do is go to your profile on the top right corner, click on your profile, and after that click on setting and privacy. After you click there, go to setting and it'll load up your profile settings. And after that, what you need to do is on the left hand side, what you need to do is you'll see there many options. Amongst them on the second, it is privacy. Click on privacy and a bunch of settings will pop up. And here you can see that there are a bunch of options where it says, like, it shows you the option of changing these settings. So here you can see who can see your future posts. So you can click, and after that you can just change it from public to friends or friends accept. So it's like you can share it with only few people or people of your choice, and similarly who can see the people page a lists that you follow. Similarly, that I've changed to only me. And similarly, friend requests, who can send you friend requests, you can just change it to friends of friends, not everyone. And similarly for that, there are a bunch of options. You can go through them and private them, change these settings, and then you can get your Facebook profile to private. So this is how you can get your Facebook profile private. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please drop a like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.